Welcome to Data Labs, the podcast where we at BizTory share bite-sized tips and topics on data and analytics. I'm your host, Mark, and today we're discussing dashboard design for mobile devices. With mobile traffic surpassing desktop, it's crucial to optimize your dashboards for mobile screens. Let's dive in. In 2023, StatCounter recorded 58% of web traffic as coming from mobile devices, and only 39% from desktop, with the remaining coming from tablets. For dashboards, the same trend is happening too, as end users want data and insights accessible on their mobile phones too. So what do you need to consider when designing dashboards for mobile screens? Let's get one thing out of the way first. Creating a mobile version of a dashboard can take just as long as an initial desktop view. But there are a few things to think about when designing a dashboard for mobile screen sizes. First, reduced screen size. Prioritize the most important information. Ensure that text and objects are readable on smaller screens. Secondly, different screen orientation. Most people hold their mobile devices in portrait orientation. This will significantly impact the layout of a mobile version of a dashboard. Try to stay with a single column layout for easier use. Third, reduced interactive accuracy. Dashboards are generally designed to be interacted with, usually with a mouse. This is very accurate. A finger tap on a screen won't be quite as accurate, so buttons, drop-downs, and similar objects will need to be larger. And then finally, two other things you need to consider are session length and device-specific views. For session length, how long is someone going to use a dashboard on a mobile device versus a laptop? Potentially, it'll be a far shorter session on a mobile device. Think about what's most important for the user. For each dashboard that's built using Tableau Desktop, we can create 4 device-specific views: default, desktop, phone, and tablet. Each one of these will have its own design considerations. Each one added can improve the value of a dashboard, but also significantly increase development time. These are all crucial things to consider when building dashboards for smaller screen sizes. But how does that translate to different chart types, parameters, and potential interactivity of the dashboard? Let's talk about chart types and data visualization first. We'll take a simple bar chart as an example here. For a bar chart, you first need to consider what won't work on mobile. For example, it's too wide for a smaller screen in portrait mode. The bars can be too narrow to select with a tap, or any blocks of text need to be resized for the smaller screen. The first 2 points can be reduced to one problem. There are too many data points for this chart type on this screen size. So how can you improve? Staying with bar charts, here are some aspects we change which can help to improve the usability of this chart on a mobile device. Is the chart too wide? Then reduce the number of bars. Is it difficult to select a bar with one tap? Make the bars wider and therefore easier to select with a single touch. Hard to read text? Include a mobile-friendly way to view more data or the context around it. You can improve this further by adding in an overview. You could include a second view of the same chart indicating the bars that have been selected. This would provide important contextual information for a user. You'll have to use parameters and calculated fields to allow users to dynamically adjust the view and navigate through data points. How you can do that with a tool like Tableau is explained in full detail with step-by-step instructions in the full blog on our website. Finally, design with touch in mind. Ensure interactive elements are easily tappable. Avoid small or densely packed interactive components. Responsive design is crucial for mobile dashboards. While Tableau supports responsive design, it has limitations. Embedding analytics provides additional control for switching between device-specific views. Designing for mobile requires a deep understanding of user interactions and the specific questions they need answered. Tailoring your dashboards for mobile use will greatly enhance their effectiveness and user satisfaction. Thanks for tuning into Data Labs. By following these tips, you can create dashboards that are optimized for mobile devices, ensuring a seamless user experience. Join us next time for more insights into the world of data. For more details, check out the full blog post at BizTory.